Hey everyone, ever wondered what the internet really is? You might think it's just Google, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, right? Well, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Imagine the internet is a giant iceberg. The part we see and use every day, that's the surface web. It's everything that search engines like Google can find. All your favorite websites, news portals, blogs, online shopping sites, they all live here. It's like the public area of a huge city, open for everyone to see and visit. Simple, right? But here's where it gets interesting. What about the rest of the iceberg, the massive part hidden beneath the water? That's the deep web. Now, don't get scared by the name. The deep web isn't some shady secret place. It's actually a huge part of your daily online life. Think about it. Your email inbox, your online banking portal, your social media direct messages, your Netflix account dashboard. Of these are part of the deep web. Search engines QROT access this information directly because it's protected behind a password or a login. It's the private part of the internet meant just for you. So the deep web is basically all the content that's not indexed by search engines.